Hey, Pop Pals, I'm the Gardener, and today is World Naked Gardening Day. So, I guess I'm gonna have to get naked. See my cool gloves? There, you happy, freaks? Alright, let's see how it is gardening. It's World Naked Gardening Day. I'll show some seeds. Suckers. So, here's some coxcomb. My wife bought that for herself and for me. I got some. Let's see what this is. Asante pepper. Oops. Get off there. And let's see. Is another one on there? Nope. Okay. My wife's the camera person today. Because I still haven't set up my recording studio yet. There's a Aleppo pepper. Got a free carrot seed. Got some butter crunch lettuce because I love it. There's a beautiful red zinnia. Let me get these going. Get the coxcomb and the zinnia going right away. Well, the zinnia for sure. I'm not sure what temperature the coxcomb needs. So I'll probably start them both inside and then move outside and probably plant a few of the zinnia outside. Here's a Abe Lincoln tomato. First hearing about that one. Hopefully it's cool. Here's some broccoli. Rasmus. Okay. I'm trying to read these upside down. Some broccoli Rasmus. My wife picked all these out as a surprise for me. She bought me two Chicago Hardy figs, and this she also got this along with it, which is really cool. So here's some is it Cheerio? Cheerio Roxa Perfuma. It's a pepper of some kind. So I got to check out like when the what the lowest temperature they can take before I can put them out. Usually peppers are usually you want the soil that they're going into in the nighttime air temperature to at least be 55 to 60 degrees. Things like onions can go out if the nighttime temperature is even like 20 degrees. It doesn't bother it. But like I got figs that has to be 55 at night, and I have sweet potato cuttings that have to be 55 degrees. So I'm kind of like in a holding pattern right now. I'm going to put all this stuff outside, but I can't. All right, so this is a pepper. I'm not even going to try to pronounce it. Ojima, something like that. And then the last free seed we got to go along with it is the Persian carpet.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, some more flowers. So
I'm excited.
Wife got. So I got carrots for me and flowers for her. So oops. These are like those are too small for my big meat hand. So set them. See.
Yeah, I let them wear them right now.
Yeah, my wife claimed them, of course. She says she doesn't want to wear them in the garden. She doesn't want to mess them up.
Not going to mess them up. They're going to be on display.
All right. All right. So, everybody enjoy World Naked Gardening Day, which is Saturday, May the 3rd? Or is it today? What is it today?
Saturday, May 3rd.
Okay.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, it's still second. All right. All righty. Any comments, questions, leave in the comments section. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I'll never be naked, you weirdos. Have an awesome day. Naked hands.